Alright, so here we have 3 Tranes right here, 2 XBs, 1 XR. Here are these 2 XBs. Gentech motor, Orange Alliance scroll, 2011 5-ton. This is an XB13. I don't know if that's been running. Heat pump. There's this other XB. The Trane that goes on the front. Gentech motor. It's probably also an Alliance scroll. Yep, Alliance scroll. 2010 5-ton. Oh, it's cold, sweaty. Trane XR15. That, I don't know what that is. Climb Tough or Alliance. Gentech motor, 2010. That can't be right. 1.5 ton. That's ridiculous. This is definitely not 1.5 ton. I don't know. Heat pump. I think this one is also heat pump. Yeah, these are all 3 of these Trane XBs and XRs. Heat pumps. So yeah, thank you for watching. Over and out.